Welcome back to my channel नीलू's classroom। आओ कुछ नया सीखें।
Fill the shape. Circle, pentagon, heart, crescent. Match the colors. Red, red, green, pink. Select the biggest one. Short colors. Red, yellow, purple, red. Count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Match the correct parts. Match the correct shape. Match the letter A. Touch the letter A. 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 A is for ant. A and T. Ant. Match the letter capital with small. A. B. C. D. Fill the color as per the direction. Blue, blue, blue. Green, 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 green. Find the shapes in the correct order. Star, crescent, circle. Diamond, heart, circle. Diamond, heart, circle. Find the difference. Crab, bird, sand, sun. Correct the sequence. First, second, third. I wake up early in the morning. Then I brush my teeth. Then I take a bath. Yay! Complete the pattern. Match the shadow with the picture. Ice cream, motorbike, cupcake, fox, koala, croissant. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.